Please adjust your sound. Let me try something here. There we go. I don't know if that helped, but clean out things from my my button. Oh, so let's see what we got here. Let's best out of 3. So here we go. Let's see what we got going on now. I went and I adjusted the. I had to reset back to the original default settings on everything. So I don't know if it's darker. Seems more vivid. No, I don't know. So, no, you don't. No, you don't, guys.
Defense.
No, you don't. So let's see what's going on here for a minute. All we gotta do is get 3 points. Oh, nice. So who's going after?
The enemy has your flag.
Alright, we'll play it that way.
The enemy has your flag.
That's what I wanted. Oh, what are you doing taking my armor, dude?
Blue flag returned.
Alright. Now, let's go get that red flag. Oh!
The enemy has your flag.
Nice. Let's get the red flag. Let's get the red flag. We got a bazooka. Let's see how we do.
Red flag returned. Defense. Excellent.
Where's the blue flag? Alright.
Red flags.
Oh, they get 1 point already. Oh no. We can't have that now, can we?
The enemy has your flag. You have the flag. Red
All right.
flag returned.
Time to, okay, everybody. Defend the flag. There we go. And, go. There you go, everybody. See how you do. Why I tried it. Get it. 2 points, are you kidding me? Wow.
You have the flag. The enemy has your flag. Blue flag returned.
Return the flag. Return the flag. Come on, somebody. Can I do it? Ah, no.
Red flag returned. Blue flag returned. The flag.
I don't want up here. Ah!
Red flag returned.
Toughy today.
The enemy has your flag.
Toughy.
Blue flag returned. The enemy has your flag. You have the flag. Red flag returned.
Alright. Team orders. Everybody, let's see what I got. Oh, get the enemy flag. Try that one. Here we go. See how that works.
Blue flag returned.
There we go.
Blue scores.
I like that idea.
The enemy has your flag.
That's alright. That's alright. Get my strategy here.
You have the flag.
Oh, I don't want to be up here. I want to be over here. What are you doing? Get out of the way. Red, I'll be red. They got the flag. Woo.
Red scores.
Oh, they won. First time. Woo. Of course, look at the people. You know, I put every mean guy I could find in there. Double majors, grunts, everybody. Woo. We'll do this one more time. What do you think?